Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add images to your homepage in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then click on Themes. Now, find the theme you want to edit and click on Customize. This will open the theme editor. Make sure you are on the homepage view. To add an image, click on Add Section. In the search bar, type Image. You'll see different options such as Image Banner, Image with Text Slideshow. Choose the one that best fits your design, for example, Image Banner. Once added, click on the section and upload your desired image. You can also adjust settings like Text Overlay, Alignment Button, optional, Image Size, and Layout. After customizing everything, click Save. Now, visit your website and refresh the homepage to see your newly added image. That's it. You've successfully added an image to your Shopify homepage.